The news in detail. The government of Meghalaya kicks off the two-day cabinet retreat at Sora today, which was attended by the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and his cabinet alongside senior officials of the state government. The objective of the program is to provide a platform to government departments to highlight the programs and initiatives and also to discuss the gaps through which collaborative effort can be taken to achieve the desired goals and objectives. On day 2, the cabinet ministers will held to Nongriat and Laikanso to meet members of self-help groups.
Number one, the entire issue that is being brought in is completely incorrect. There is no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of IMA trying, that is Invest Meghalaya Agency, trying to bypass any authority, agency or the district councils or anybody or the Rangbashnaus. There is no question, as I said, of land being bought directly by the private investors. This is all incorrect and absolutely incorrect information. IMA is a government of Meghalaya's Invest Meghalaya Agency. It is like MTDC, like an MIDC, like MECL. It is another authority of the government of Meghalaya.